Alright, I am back with my October monthly update. I'm gonna apologize in advance because I didn't film a lot of B-roll for October, so you're gonna have to stare at my face a little bit more than usual, and my frizzy hair because I took a nap earlier. Okay, I went and got a headband, but I don't know if it's actually helping. So, start with the usual things. I didn't go to any auditions in October. There were pretty much only auditions for vocalists and actors, which is not my thing. I went to one dance class with Gianna. We went to jazz class, which was fun. I actually found a way of working out at home that I enjoy, so I'll talk about that more in my favorites at the end. And I saw 3 movies this month. I saw A Star is Born, Bad Times at El Royale, and First Man, all of which were too long. I'm getting old. I can't handle these 2.5-hour movies plus 30 minutes of trailers. It's too much. I did like all 3 movies, I just thought they were all far too long and that the trailers were a lot more engaging than the actual film. They could have cut some out or added more things in to make parts less slow or something, I don't know. Allie and Courtney and I went to Animal Kingdom one day. It was actually October 3rd and it was a Wednesday, so we dressed in all pink for Mean Girls Day, and the park was dead, which was amazing. We walked on every attraction except for Flight of Passage had a 60-minute wait, which is not bad for that ride, so we went ahead and did it because I've only ridden it with a fast pass or rope dropping and like running there in the morning, so it was nice to like ride it in the middle of the day, and I actually got to go through the queue, which I'd never seen, so that was cool. We actually had a few days with some fall weather in Orlando, so that was nice. I tried to do some fall activities. My plans to go to the pumpkin patch were foiled because it was always closed on my days off of work because I usually work the weekends, so my days off are during the week. I don't know. But I did go to the farmer's market in Winter Garden. Allie and I went to Port Orleans French Quarter and we did the pumpkin scavenger hunt. They hid pumpkins around the resorts that had silhouettes of different Disney villains on them. So you had to go find all the pumpkins and then write like which villain it was, and you got a little button. And we also got beignets while we were there. Allie had never had beignets before, so she got the pumpkin spice ones that were Mickey shaped, and I got the allergy friendly ones, and they weren't that good. It was kind of disappointing. Other fall things that I did was some fall baking with Allie in our giant new kitchen. She made the most massive apple pie I think I've ever seen. It was like 6 inches tall. Gonna close this out with favorites like always. I have a lot of TV shows this month because all my shows started back up again. So new episodes of The Big Bang Theory, its final season, new episodes of The Good Place, and Schitt's Creek, which I watched in like 2 days because I'm obsessed. Also, all of my CW shows came back on, so I've had a lot of TV to watch so far this month. Favorite book I read was Out of the Easy. If you like historical fiction, you might like it. You can give it a try. Favorite thing I ate in October was the massive taco cone I got from the new Four Rivers food truck that they have at Disney Springs. It was super good. You get to choose like what meat you want and other stuff. I think you can choose like lettuce or if you want like rice and beans or I don't know, but it was delicious. So my final favorite thing is actually a YouTube channel. Earlier when I mentioned I found a new way to work out that I actually enjoy, this is what I was talking about. I hate working out. I need disguised forms of exercise. I usually only do like dance classes, group exercise classes. I went and ran on the elliptical a few weeks ago and I was like, I can't do this. I hate this so much. So I found this YouTube channel called Lazy Dancer Tips, and she just has a bunch of workouts. She has bar workouts, she has center workouts, stretching, all sorts of stuff. And I like the variety that she has. She has a lot of standing ab workouts, which I like because I hate laying on the floor because I'm old. And she has a lot of stretching where you like sit in a chair and stretch. So she also has non-jumping cardio workouts, which are good for if you live in an apartment like me and you're on the 2nd floor or higher. All right, that's all I have for October. I'm only planning to do 2 more of these, so you'll get a November and a December. Hopefully next month I'll be able to show you my Christmas tree once we have a tree. We just need to go get decorations and stuff and decorate for Christmas. So exciting. Is Millie excited? Doubt it. No? Sniffing Sully's butt.